Students, let's continue. What is it? Oh, what is it? Said Phyllis. It's much too magic for me. I don't like it. Let's go home. Now, what Phyllis said, that it's magic. It's looking like a magic and I don't like this magic. Please, let's go home. But Bobby and Peter clung fast to the rail and watched breathlessly, and Phyllis made no movement toward going home by herself. Now, Peter was afraid and he said, Let's go home. Sorry, Phyllis was afraid and she said that let's go home. But Bobby and Peter, they were breathlessly watching all these. And Phyllis, she can't go by herself, move herself to go home. अपने आप अकेले घर जाने की हिम्मत नहीं कर सकी. The trees moved on and on. Some stones and loose earth fell down and rattled on the railway metal far below. अब क्या हुआ? Trees moved on and on. आगे आगे बढ़ते रहे. And with them, some stones and some loose earth also fall down on the railway track. It's all coming down, Peter tried to say, but he found there was hardly any voice to say it with. And indeed, just as he spoke, the great rock, on the top of which the walking trees were, leaned slowly forward. The tree, ceasing to walk, stood still and shivered. Leaning with the rock, they seemed to hesitate a moment, and then rock and tree and grass and bushes, with a rustling sound, slipped right away from the face of the cutting and fell on the line with blundering crash that could have been heard half a mile off. A cloud of dust rose up. Now the Peter tried to say something, but he found that there was hardly any voice. जब हम डर जाते हैं अचानक तो हमारी आवाज़ नहीं निकलती ना. Same happened with Peter. उसकी आवाज़ ही नहीं निकल रही थी. And when he became able to say something, तभी अचानक से क्या हुआ कि उन्होंने देखा क्या मूव कर रहा है. The rock was also moving on which that trees were moving. That rock also started moving. And suddenly, when this rock started moving, all the trees ceased. Ceased means रुक गए. और फिर वो क्या करने? They become still and shivered. कांपने लगे थोड़ा सा. और उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Rock started moving along with the rock trees, along with the trees, bushes, grass, everything start moving. And all of that suddenly fall on the railway track. And that was a blundering crash. बहुत जोर का धमाका हुआ. सब नीचे रेलवे ट्रैक पे गिर गया और इतनी जोर की आवाज़ हुई that it could have been heard a half a mile off. और क्या हुआ? Cloud of dust rose up. धूल का अंबार हो गया. Oh, said Peter in awestruck tone, isn't it exactly like when coals come in? If there wasn't any roof to the cellar and you could see down, look what a great mound it's made, said Bobby. Yes, said Peter slowly. He was still leaning on the fence. Yes, he said again, still more slowly. Then he stood upright. The 11:29 down hasn't gone by yet. We must let them know at station or there will be a most frightful accident. Now when that whole rock and trees fall down on that railway track, then a great mound was made. Means एक elevation. Mound means elevation. कहते हैं ना कि ये मिट्टी का पहाड़ बन गया है. Elevation was made there on the railway track. जो पीटर जो था, he was still leaning on the fence. फेंस पे लटका हुआ ये सब देख रहा था और उसने फिर क्या बोला कि 11:29 डाउन. ये क्या है? ट्रेन, वो अभी तक यहाँ से निकली नहीं है, और अगर वो यहाँ से निकली तो क्या होगा? एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा. सो लेट अस इन्फॉर्म एट द रेलवे स्टेशन. लेट्स रन सेड बॉबी एंड बिगिन. बॉबी ने कहा, चलो भागो, देख जाकर इन्फॉर्म करते हैं. बट पीटर क्राइड, लेकिन पीटर क्या बोला? कम बैक एंड लुक एट मदर्स वॉच. ही वॉज वेरी प्रॉम्प्ट and businesslike, and his face looked whiter than they had ever seen it. पीटर ने क्या कहा? वापस आओ और ये मदर की वॉच को देखो. There is no time left. No time, he said. It's 2 miles away. कितना दूर है स्टेशन? 2 miles away है, और अब टाइम नहीं बचा इन्फॉर्म करने का. But the train wouldn't see us till it got round the corner, and then it could see the mount just as well as you, said Phyllis. Better because it's much bigger than us. Anyway, let's go down. अब उन्होंने क्या सोचा कि हम यहीं से ट्रेन को बताएंगे, लेकिन कॉर्नर पे खड़े रहने से क्या होगा? उनको वो दिखाई नहीं देंगे. पहले उनको क्या दिखाई देगा? दैट माउंट, एंड एक्सीडेंट्स होने के चांसेस होंगे. दैट्स व्हाई दे डिसाइडेड टू गो